that's one of my favorite things about the law school is how, I mean, the professors obviously support the students obviously support each other, but then the different organizations actually support one another too. So as president of Women of Color, I'm constantly getting emails from like Lambda or NLG or like some other group that's like, hey, can you promote this event to your members? And we always say yes. And especially if you've been in multiple ones, like I know exactly how Lambda works, I know exactly how Virginia Law Women works, I know how Feminist Legal Forum works, so I'm able to say like, oh, this is an event that Lambda would be interested in, we should ask them to co-sponsor it, or this is an event that Virginia Law Women members would want to go to, so we should invite them to come. So that's really cool, and everyone is really supportive of each other. Being at this law school, I've truly felt like I was part of a community. I mean, I have a lot of fun here, but I also feel like my voice is heard here. If there's an event that I think I might want to have, I have some platform, like I have Lambda or Women of Color, and I'm like, hey, you guys, I want to do an event on health disparities. I want to do an event on women in prison. And it happens. It just, you talk to a few people get on board, you do some logistical work, and then people show up and, you know, they are there to like listen to things that you care about. And